Hello everyone, let's start with the series roadmap to become competitive programmer 5 star. So in this video I'll be solving Valentine is coming problem. So it says Valentine's Day is approaching and thus chef wants to buy some chocolates for someone special. So chef has a total of X rupees and one chocolate costs Y rupees. What is the maximum number of chocolates chef can buy? Yeah, this is very easy problem, not that hard. I think you guys can try to solve this. If you can't, then you guys can watch out the video. So first line will contain t, the number of test cases. So let me take the input and then I'll try to explain you what it is. So this will take care of all the test cases. For every test case I'll call a function solve, and its return type is void and it does not have any parameter. Each test case contains a single line of input, two integers x and y, the amount of the amount chef has and the cost of one chocolates respectively. So we'll have to take x comma y. We are taking into input. Let's try to understand some of the examples. They've given 4 examples. In first case, x is 5 and y is 10. So yeah, let me take you to the board. So basically, in first example, what they have said is that chef has 5 rupees and one chocolate cost 10 rupees amount, and it is chocolate cost. So how many chocolates you can buy? Obviously you can't buy. Even if you go to shop, the shopkeeper says uh, you can't buy chocolate because you have only 5 rupees, but you need to pay 10 rupees to buy at least one chocolate. So in this case he will be getting 0 chocolates. He can't buy any chocolate, so 0 is the answer. So yeah, it is 0. So how do you solve this mathematically? Again, chocolates that he'll be buying is basically given by x by y. So in this case it is 5 by 10, so it will be 0, right? So 0, which is matching with our answer. So let's try to take second example, 16 comma 16 and 5. So chef has 16 rupees and one chocolate costs 5 rupees. So when he goes to the shopkeeper and he says, can you give me chocolate? So he'll say, give me 5 rupees. So chef will he'll give 5 rupees. So after giving 5 rupees, he'll get one chocolate. Again he'll give 5 rupees, he'll get one chocolate. Again he'll give 5 rupees, he'll get one chocolate. So total now 15 rupees he have sent. Now remaining, this is if you add it, he has spent 15 rupees and he have got 3 chocolates. Now 16 minus 15, this is the amount that he has left, which is 1 rupee. And if you give 1 rupee, he will not be getting any chocolate because at least 5 rupees is needed. So in this case 3 chocolates he can buy and he can give to someone special. So again, if you try to put in this formula x by y, which is 16, 16 by 5 is 3. So yeah, it is easily, but basically you'll have to find x by y. Let me put this at the down, and yeah, let's code it up. Int chocolates is basically x by y. At the end we'll have to display these chocolates. Let's try to run the code and we'll be expecting 03500. Yeah, we're getting 03500. Let's try to submit the code. Yeah, it got accepted and it was easy only, guys. So I think you guys got to notice all this. So thank you guys for watching the video. I'll see you in the next video.